Yeah, can you imagine yung salvation na pinadala sa atin ng Panginoon, nagkaloob sa atin in the form of a vulnerable, helpless, fragile baby. Kaya huwag niyong mamaliitin yung mahina. Kaya sa ordinaryo, sa mundo, practice natin na sumamba sa kapangyarihan. Practice natin na humanga sa pinakagwapo, pinakamalakas, pinakamagaling, pinakamatalino, human nature natin. We grovel, we worship, we idolize. And we tend to neglect the weak, the unbecoming, the ordinary, the weak, the helpless, is drawing our attention to the place where we do not want to look. And while the world are busy chasing celebrities, powerful politicians, diba, admirable this and that, the Lord is drawing our attention to the weak, to the poor, to the helpless, to the widow, to the orphans, okay? To those who need help. To the extent na sinabi niya, pag kinalinga mo ito, kinalinga mo ako. And in doing that, hindi niya lang tinuro sa atin because he became one. He literally became one of the poor, one of the helpless, one of the vulnerable,